This week for our math homework, we're going to be doing problem number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Monday night you'll do problem 1, and Tuesday night you'll watch the video to check yourself and to fix any errors you made. And then Wednesday night you'll do the same thing for number 2. Thursday night you'll check number 3, and next week on Monday night you'll check number 4. Alright, we're going to look over problem number 1. The graph below shows the student homework for the first 5 weeks of school. So if we look right here, we have a pictograph. One of the most important parts about the pictograph is the key at the bottom. That key, remember, it tells you that each star is telling you there's 5 papers. Okay? Then our question down here at the bottom says, write the total for each week at the end of the line. So we come up here and we're going to write at the end of each line how much homework they had returned for that week. And each star represents 5. So right here we would have each one of these is 5. So we would have 5, 10, 15 for Monday, or week 1, excuse me. 5, 10 for week 2. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. For week 3, 5, 10, 15, 20. For week 4, and 5, 10, 15 for week 5. Next, it tells us to find the total for all 5 weeks. So we needed to take these numbers that we got right here and add them up. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. C says, what 2 weeks had the same numbers of papers returned? So if we look back at the top, we can look up and see that week 1 and week 5 both had 3 stars and both had 15 papers. So right here, we could put 1 and 5. How many more papers were returned week 3 than week 2? So week 3 and week 2, our big key word is how many more. That tells us we're going to subtract. So we needed to take 25 and subtract 10 for week 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it was 15. The rest of your homework today is to solve question number 2. Okay? We'll have a video tomorrow to go over the answer for question number 2.